Good afternoon, guys. It's Billy at Willsecure Systems, vehicle security specialist here in Doncaster. Now, behind me, as you can see, we've got something pretty special. It's a 1983 Porsche 911 Carrera. And as you can see, it's got the sports kit on it as well. I think that means side skirts and that massive great wing on the back of it. Anyway, customer's had this car for a number of years now, and his immobiliser had failed. It was 15 years plus old. It's not something that we're massively surprised about. And what we've done is replaced it like for like with the newer updated, of course, version Viper 106V. This is a category 2 immobiliser, which means that it's got two separate cuts of immobilisation, and the vehicle will not start without the external hardware, which is the fob. So these are a massively popular system with things like Fiestas and older vehicles such as this Porsche. These start from $299 supplied and fit. The prices do vary depending what vehicle you bring us in. If you've got a vehicle like this that you'd rather not get stolen and you want keeping safe and sound, then give me a call. My name is Billy. But anything dash cameras, trackers, immobilisers or tow bars, give me a call. We'll get you booked in as soon as possible. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in a little bit.